Alright, these will be the elevators at the Renaissance Hotel here at Westgate Entertainment District. Let's go up. It's gonna be this one. What a beautiful cab, even though this is a Kone elevator. Let's go to 11. Back to basement. We're gonna get off at 11 after one more round trip. Looks like a modern department store elevator a little bit.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Doing good. What about you?
Was it afternoon?
Oh, it's
afternoon.
Yeah, it's afternoon.
I'm still on East Coast time, and sometimes I get it all mixed up.
Oh, I see.
Is this first floor?
Oh, yeah, it is. We're gonna get off at 11. And the doors on 5 were red. We're gonna get off at 11 though. It looks like it'd be a Dillard's cab a little bit, kind of. Just here and avoid an awkward conversation. Okay. Alright. Look at this beautiful view. You can see a whole view of Glendale and of West Phoenix. And that's the mall over there, Westgate Entertainment. And that will be it.